Hi everyone, I'm Tovah Fenske and thanks for joining. Today's practice is going to be a sweet little bedtime routine. You could do this every night if you need a little help before bed falling asleep, or if you find yourself in bed really restless, not actually getting any sleep, you could wake up and you could do this practice right in your bed. So go on ahead, hop onto your yoga mat, or if you want to try out this practice right in bed, just pull the covers back and we'll get started. So the first posture, you're going to lie over a bolster, or if you're in bed, you could just use your pillow, maybe fold it in half. Putting it underneath the middle of your back as you lie your head back on the opposite side. You can either open your legs in bound angle pose, or just stretch your legs out straight, whichever feels more comfortable for you. And we're going to spend just the first couple of minutes here working on our breath. So close your eyes, maybe put on some soft music, dim the lights. And just let your whole body start to unwind here as you breathe deeply right into your tummy. Trying to lengthen each inhale and each exhale. And just use your breath as a focal point. So our aim here is to slow down our nervous system and to start to turn down or turn off our wandering monkey mind. And often if you have trouble falling asleep, it's because your brain is too active. So taking these easy steps to help quiet your mind can help you find a bedtime bliss. As you prepare your body for rest, following the same routine every evening can be really helpful in setting your internal clock to know when it's time to fall asleep. So this practice could be part of your regular evening routine. Not making any sudden movements here. You're just really slowly going to start to sit up. Rolling to the side a little bit if that's preferable. And then we're going to move into a seated forward fold here, but we're going to have our knees in a diamond position. So not all the way tucked in like bound angle and not quite all the way straight, just somewhere in the middle. And we can take that pillow, bring it around in front of us as we just very gently let our body start to fold forward. And if that meant for you that you want to rest your head on the cushion somewhere higher, or maybe somewhere more down at the bottom, please feel free to use that cushion any way you like. Or if you prefer just to let your head rest on its own, that's a good option as well. But it is nice if you do have something that works, that's the appropriate height for you, that you can rest your forehead on. Because when we have our forehead resting down on something, it signals our nervous system to slow down and relax. And so if you're having problems sleeping, it's because your nervous system is all jacked up and it doesn't want to settle down. So anything that we can do right now. So if you don't have the appropriate size cushion today, maybe just try to find something and you can put it close to your bed or wherever you're going to do this practice on your own. And this should be a really gentle forward bend for you. So not feeling like you're getting a big giant stretch here. This should be easy. And again, moving very slowly, just sitting up, tucking your legs behind you as you make your way into resting child's pose. Maybe you like the knees wide, or maybe you like them more together, but sinking back, and again, bringing your forehead down to your mat, down to your mattress, or down to a soft pillow. Letting your whole body melt towards the floor here, releasing tension through your hips, through your lower back, and again, calming your nervous system. And as we slowly move into our last posture, laying down onto your back. And if you're doing this practice in bed, making sure that your laying in the right direction in your bed so that your head is maybe even resting on your pillow here. If you have a spare pillow or cushion, slide it underneath the back of your hips. And it's okay if you don't. You can lift your legs straight up on their own. As we come into waterfall pose, soften the knees, letting the arms relax by your sides or on your belly, still focusing on your breathing. And this posture is wonderful for stress relief and calming the body. Having something tucked under your hips just makes it a little easier or more comfortable for your legs to stay up for a little bit longer. So it's a great prop to have close by if you're doing this practice on a regular basis. And I'm going to leave you here to rest in Savasana or rest in waterfall pose as long as your body feels like it wants to stay there. So just continue to stay in that posture. And when your body feels like it's ready for rest, then just gently slide that cushion or prop out from underneath your backside. Pull the covers over and let yourself fall fast asleep. Namaste.